All right, let's go. Hi YouTube friends, I got a couple shoots, so I'm going to take you along for the ride. R5 with a working on 14, just going to do some wide shots in the beginning. You'll see why. My Ronin RS2. Here's my bag. This is kind of the R5 side with my lenses, my video micro. They have then, this is, I would call the GH5 side. Grabbed my rig, decided to shoot. It was about an hour and a half away, and I had my GH5 fully rigged out. I mean, monitor everything, and I left it on my kitchen table. So I arrived and I had to shoot literally a pretty significant production with crew, talent, everything, with a G7 and a Sony RX 100. Always remember to bring your camera. First client is a local liquor store, and it is going to be Super Bowl, so we're going to do a Super Bowl spot. This will be super informal, simple stand-up. I'll bring in one light panel, and I'll shoot everything in the R5. The second shoot is less of a video shoot and it's more stills, and it's just to update some images on DoorDash. How do I look? Stand up forward. Good. Awesome. You ready?
Welcome, it's Super Bowl weekend, and we have a great deal this weekend from Coors. This is the Golden Trilogy Pack.
How's it going, buddy? First shoot done. Took about an hour. So this one's food stills. I'll shoot some video. That is the list. DoorDash. Which one's wrong?
The Rex Road is wrong. The double double's wrong. That's not even our double double. It's not even our play.
It's not yours. Kind of my fill here. Just the overhead daylight. And then I set this one warm just to give it a kick. Again, these are kind of quick stills. I'm going to shoot on my 35, but I have my 85 and my 14 ready to go. And then this will move fast. My poor 360 battery died, but it is sunset. I can take this off, and the shoot is done for the day. It was good. 3 hours on this one. Lots of food. I hope you enjoy some of the stills. These are delicious. Any questions about my rig or anything? Feel free to ask.